Okay, this next puzzle type within Elite Kai needs no introductions. It's Mandala, right? As you well know, Mandala has a lot of presence, has a big market online. People are actually actively searching for this. As you can see in ToolShelf, by the way, this is a free keyword tool available to all Bose Pause members. Just click on this widget here and go to KDP Keyword Finder. But right now, let's go to Elite Kai, right? And click on Mandala. We're on Mandala right here. And this is the mother of all mandala generators, the best one you've ever seen, hands down. You can create circular ones, square ones, rectangular ones, right? You can create complex versions. You can create square ones with medium versions. If you in the circular one, you can create different themed ones like nature. You can make it more complex. You can go scroll down to the bottom here and edit the layers, make it even more complex, more intricate, as you can see. That goes for all of these different ones. So let's go to rectangular, make it more intricate as you wish. Okay, with this layer feature here. Now, of course, as always, and you might be tired of me saying this, but I'm going to say it because, this might be your first video. Page, bulk, and story, right? Story is the Elite Kai AI portion of it. I'll have a separate module on how to operate that. Bulk allows you to create, again, a book all at once, bulk mode. Okay, and sometimes it has AI components to it. I'll talk about that in a second within this video. And page allows you to customize page by page. Okay, now if you have any of these tools, if you're anything like me and you want to list as many high quality books as possible, then you go with bulk or story. Okay, if you're a basic user, then you want to check out bulk. If you're an Elite Kai user, then definitely go with story. Okay, so anyways, the controls are the same, and I have a basics video within all the modules, so you can check out the basics on how to use the controls. But Mandala is a little different here because you have all of these different types. Wait, let's go to circular. You have a bunch of different types that you can access here, Victorian and so forth, right? So definitely you can play with these and create different types of mandalas: square, rectangular, and circular. Okay, trim size, I'll keep it at that. But I want to go with bulk, right? I want to go with bulk. And because I want to create a book all at once, I want to change the trim size 8.5 by 8.5. Now, I often say 8.5, 8.5 is for a children's book or a children's activity book or children's puzzle book, but not necessarily. Well, you also have senior citizens, and I think a circular mandala lends itself perfectly to an 8.5, 8.5 trim size, excuse me. So I'm going to create a book with this, okay? And let me see. I'm going to create intricate ones like that. And complexity, I'm going to go with, let's just go with complex, not intricate. And I'm going to, I'm going to generate, page of a book of 30, okay? And click, let's don't forget the page number. And click add the queue. And then click, wait, I'm going to overwrite everything. And then click generate all 30 pages. And it's doing it, it's working. And there you go, a book of mandalas. Okay, very simple. And that's it. So again, once you're done, if you want to do something else to it off site, you download it as a PNG or SVG. Or if you're a PowerPoint user, by all means use PPTX. But if you're anything like me, then you're going to single PDF download. Okay, that's it for Mandala. Again, for story mode up here, I have a separate video where I talk about how to use story mode. But basically, it's the same thing for every puzzle app within Bose Pause. It creates a cohesive story with a consistent character, which also creates a coloring book element to the book on top of whatever puzzle type or activity type you're on. So it will have, of course, mandalas on top of the cohesive story and the consistent character. Okay, hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.